Hello friends, welcome to Android Gateway YouTube channel. In this tutorial, you will learn how to pass GoTranscript audio test. So before starting video, if you are new on my channel, then please subscribe my channel. So first step is you must read GoTranscription guideline rules before starting the audio test. This guideline is very important. You must apply all these guideline rules before submitting the audio test. Without applying these guideline rules, you never pass GoTranscript audio test. So you must read all these transcription guidelines all the way to the end 1 to 2 times. This will help you during the audio test exam. So after reading this transcription guideline, you easily pass GoTranscript audio test. So I already transcribed audio file into text file, and you need to apply all these transcription guideline rules before submitting the audio test. So let's move to the audio file and start the audio test.
This audio is used for the transcriber test at GoTranscript.
Yes, children of GoTranscript, yesterday I was having a bad day. I went to the diner and sat there eating egg whites and hoping the building would collapse. It was hard to see the menu because I had just had my eyelashes dyed and everything was cloudy. A lonely porter was letting his cat use my Galapagonian tortoiseshell foot bath as a litter box. Why must I always be both puppet and puppeteer? I decided to order the big salad like Miss Elaine Dennis, but it was a little too big if you ask me. A heavy salad might as well be a casserole. Twyla, the waitress, was acting like a disgruntled pelican. Does no one here realize I am a professional GoTranscript transcriptionist? After all, one must always champion oneself, mustn't one? Twyla hovered at my elbow, insisting that I hadn't paid for my meal. You know, that's exactly the kind of paranoia that makes me weary of spending time with these local yokels. They're all bored, lethargic, and practically dripping with ennui. If only I had let my son make me those fabulous enchiladas he excels in crafting back in the GoTranscript kitchen. It makes me realize how mercurial our lives are. We all imagine being carried from the ashes by the goddess Artemis or the GoTranscript editors. But we wind up in a funereal parade led by a ballotron from Barnum and Bailey. As if I hadn't already had enough malaise for one afternoon, a local business conglomerate decided to hold its luncheon in the adjoining chamber. One decadent capitalist delivered himself of a long panegyric upon captains of industry, such as the GoTranscript admins, upon the good they do by giving men work, by booming the country, by reducing the cost of production, and so forth, etc. When the capitalist had finished his self-praise and, flushed and satisfied, had sat down again, Father Ted Crilly, pastor of Our Lady of GoTranscript on Craggy Island, rose and said, with quiet significance, "Is there any other sinner that would like to say a word?" No one dared to speak. Ah, well, we know all too well that every bureaucracy tends to become a pedantocracy. But dispatch is the soul of business. Still, I cannot hide what I am, David. I must be sad when I have cause, and eat when I have stomach, and sleep when I am drowsy, laugh when I am merry, and claw no man or woman in his or her humors. Unless, of course, it's my benighted GoTranscript editors.
This audio is used for the transcriber test at GoTranscript.
So friend, this is the audio test for today. I hope this video is helpful for you, and please apply all transcription guideline rules before submitting the audio test. Without applying GoTranscription guideline rules, you never pass GoTranscript audio test. So this is the video for today. I hope this video is helpful for you, and please like this video, and also do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you very much. See you soon.